Hi, I'm Dr. Bob. I want to show you the cherry tomatoes I'm growing this year with a large fabric wick and a 5-gallon bucket. I started with a food-grade 5-gallon bucket with a lid. Cut a narrow slit in the lid. An oscillating saw works fine. Saturate a microfiber towel in water and slip it through the slit in the lid. Place your plant on the wick and fill the bucket with water. Drill a small overflow hole 2 to 3 inches below the lid and drill a larger hole in the lid so you can add water easily. Add water every 7 to 10 days. The plants are in a reused nursery pot with a large hole in the bottom, so the potting soil makes direct contact with the wick. These plants, Sweet 100 cherry tomatoes, have been self-watered for 2.5 months and are 6 to 8 feet tall. The nutritional problems have been solved with calcium nitrate. It's hard to use Miracle-Gro or organic fertilizer in the heat of the summer because nitrifying bacteria don't do well in the heat. Better to use Master Blend with calcium nitrate and Epsom salts. A self-watering system is a great way to keep moisture uniform to prevent fruit cracking. A self-watering container could make your gardening easier. Thanks so much for watching.